Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. And I hope you have a lovely year of 2021. And yeah, this is the first video, so I hope you are excited for this recipe. First off, you want to cut down your peeled potatoes and you want to cook them for about 15 minutes. Then you want to go ahead and cut some onion rings and also a little bit of garlic. Now in a pan you want to heat up some oil and you want to pour in the onion rings, and when they start to fry you want to add your honey and wait for them to caramelize a little bit. And when that's done you want to pour in the tomato sauce and add the apple vinegar to that, and you give it a good mix. And when this is hot, you want to add in your spices, and you want to add spices that make this kind of smoked. So some smoked salt or some smoked paprika, something like that. And then you also want to add in the chickpeas. Now when that's all combined, you want to pour it into a casserole and bake that with 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, you want to take your potatoes and you want to fry them in some oil or butter. And in another pan, you want to heat up some more oil and you want to fry some eggs. And when the potatoes are nearly done, you want to add in a little bit of onion as well, so they don't get too burnt. And yeah, you just wait for these two things to get done and also take the casserole out of the oven, and then you're ready to serve this up. So I really like this recipe. I think it's very versatile and it's kind of like baked beans but different, and yeah, with this kind of like sweet smoky taste, the chickpeas get so nice. So I hope you give this a try and I will talk to you soon. Bye!